Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about back to school and specifically car lines when you go back to school. I don't know about you guys, but I spend forever in my car. Once my kids go back to school, I feel like we live out of our car. So today we're going to be talking about a couple different ideas for a Carline Survival Kit that you can use to help keep your kids happy after school. So one of my lifesavers is having a kit of activities and toys and pencils and all kinds of things in the car so that way we have exactly what we need while we're in our car and it's still organized without making my car feel like a bomb went off. So the first kit that I put together is actually this really cool black canvas bag that has these straps on the back that you can actually secure a seat belt through. So you can actually strap this into your car in an extra seat and your kids can access it really, really easily. I love that it collapses and folds up really simply. And then what we did is we filled one section with toys. We have some books, we have some paper. I have my little guy's favorite books that he likes to look at. I also have a little container with like crayons, markers, things like that. One of the things that my kids are always asking me for are pencils when they get in the car because they want to get their homework done. And then for my older kids, I also have books. So books are a really great way to keep the kids busy while you're in the car, plus they get their reading minutes in. So I have a couple different books for my older kids so that they can just grab them really fast and start reading. On the front section here, what I actually have is all of our snacks for Carline. So I have wet ones for when their hands are really messy, and then a roll of paper towels because you can just never have too many of those, especially when the spills and things happen in the car. And then on this side, I actually have this cute little plastic container. I just already had this on hand, and you can put drinks in one side, fruit snacks, raisins, granola bars, things like that. You want to make sure that your snacks are car friendly, especially if you live in an area of the country where there's a lot of heat. You want to make sure that they're not going to be damaged by the heat. So that's the first option that we have. And then the next option that I'm going to show you is actually a plastic kit that you can move from your home back into your car. So this kit is actually my favorite. This is a really cool plastic storage box that we found on Amazon. It comes with each one of these dividers. So it actually has 4 different dividing containers, and it actually has these little dividers in there. So you really can get not just 4, but 8 different compartments, and that really helps to keep all of the snacks and things organized. So what we did is we actually made one container that was specifically for drink pouches. I could also store that in the fridge, pop it out of the fridge, stick it in my snack box, and I'm ready to go. Then I have all of my different snacks. So some of the kinds of things that we have in here, we have trail mix. I actually took some small plastic bags and I used these little plastic bags to put some cereal and things like that in for my little guy. I have a bunch of just individually packaged chips, Cheetos, things like that. All of this is gonna stay really fresh if I wanna store it in the car. So you can actually fill this up at the beginning of the week, keep it in your car the entire week, the kids can eat out of it, and then the lid actually closes and snaps into place so that everything stays nice and fresh. Okay, there you have it. 2 of my favorite ways to organize your car for back to school. You guys, if you have kids, you know after school is a crazy time. The kids are tired, they're hungry, and these are a few of the just simple ways that you can get your car organized, that you can keep your life organized and keep the kids happy at the same time. All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment, let me know what you think, especially if you give one of these ideas a try. I would love to hear about it. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.